In today's video, we're going to see how you can keep track of expenses in Wave accounting. So there are 4 steps that you can follow to make track of your business expenses. Those steps include setting up a business bank account, as you can see right here, categorize business expenses, store and record receipts, and review business expenses regularly. So first of all, of course, you need a business bank account which you can use, which you'll of course have expenses on, and it will track those business bank account expenses. Now, as you can see here, there's detail as well. For example, if your business is incorporated or if you need to write or receive checks in your business name, you need what's called a business bank account. So if you're a business incorporated, you would need a business bank account. If you're a sole proprietor and you don't need to send or receive checks in the name of your business, you can use a separate personal bank account as your business account. And these are basically some things that you need to check once you're making your business bank account. After that, your step 2 will be categorizing your business expenses. Now, of course, all of your business expenses will be in different categories where some expenses are in one sector, some expenses are in another sector. So you just need to make sure that when you're seeing your expenses, you make them in the proper category. For example, all of these, as you can see right here, these are key categories which Wave has given you as well. For example, cost of goods sold, marketing and advertising, dues and subscriptions, and payroll. So, for example, as you can see here, these are examples such as packaging, shipping, and transaction fees and cost of goods sold. And you can see all of these other examples as well: social media, print, event attendance, and marketing and advertising. In dues and subscription, you can see a Chamber of Commerce, accounting tools, your Adobe and Microsoft Suite, and you can see all of these subscriptions as well. And you can see this is your step 2 where you need to properly categorize them. Now, in step 3, you will need to store and record your receipts, where of course you need to keep things separate and you need to use folders and binders as well. Of course, whenever you have receipts, you can create a separate compartment in your bag where you can store them and you can file them as well, as it helps keep a record. You can use folders and binders as well, since folders and binders actually help you in properly maintaining a good record. And your step 4 will be reviewing and categorizing your business expenses regularly. So, of course, you just need to, which you normally do as well, review and categorize your business expenses on a regular basis. Of course, if you're not doing it on a regular basis, then some records can go unnoticed, some can go wrongly. There could be some errors in what expenses there are. So just make sure that you're categorizing and reviewing your business expenses regularly. And this will be the 4 steps that you need to look out for if you need to keep track of your business expenses. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.